a frustrated job seeker, or student staring at a computer? Still stuck in the same job, wondering why everyone's talking about Python? Fast cuts of job listings showing Python required. Top companies are hiring Python developers. Want to get in? You don't need a tech degree, just the right guide. Instructor teaching, code on screen, student testimonials, project demos. Introducing our globally recognized Python course. Live sessions, real-time projects, and expert mentorship from basics to advanced. Reviews, global map showing student locations. Trusted by 10,000 plus learners across the US, UK, Canada, and beyond. Enroll now, www.magistersign.com. Your Python journey starts here. Enroll now and code your future.